We're adding a half a cup of butter.
Put it in.
Okay. Someone's feisty.
What's taking you so long?
I'm making sure you're mixing. It's not well blended.
Just dump in the butter.
It's my kind of cooking from a package.
From a mix.
I took Derek down into the store and we went through Bob's Red Mill section. We have an ample amount of mixes, which I love about Bob's. You get all of the different types of flours: rice flour, semolina flour, chickpea, spelt, tapioca, coconut, almond, buckwheat. So you get all these different kinds of flours. And then you get all of these baking additions that, again, sometimes can be hard to find, like nutritional yeast. They have their own organic baking soda or vegetable protein, which you would add in. Bulgur, farro. Bob's has these really great granola mixes that are out now. So I highly suggest you try that. And then when you get down here, you get into some of their gluten-free items. So I picked out two, and they've got a brownie mix and a chocolate chip mix. So I'm gonna bring these upstairs. I think we're gonna try the chocolate chip cookie one today. This is 4 items: 1 egg, water, butter, and a package. That's it. And if you look at the actual types of flours that they're using, it's like a white rice, brown rice, potato starch. That's kind of the blend.
A lot of people choose to be gluten-free, but I have 2 cousins that are actually celiac.
Yes.
And they are always looking for good gluten-free options.
So we're gonna try this for them.
Shout out to Vanessa and Veronica.
Love you. Let's do this.
Well, what does it say to put first?
Preheat the oven to 375. Whisk together 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of water. This is so hard. Add butter and stir until well blended. We're adding a half a cup of butter. We never said it was healthy, just said that it was gluten-free.
It's chocolate chip cookies, you need butter.
Okay, I think that's too much.
Add cookie mix and stir until fluffy. Add cookie mix and stir until fully incorporated.
Oh, it's coming together. Smells like cookie dough. Your turn.
And then scoop dough by a rounded tablespoon and place 2 inches apart. I feel like we should make it into a
Let's make it into a ball.
ball. Here, you can pop those in.
Okay, let's put them in.
10 to 13 minutes.
They look like cookies. Those look like
They
they're
look
ready.
browned around the edges.
Yeah.
I think they're ready. Smell good.
They smell good. Cool on baking sheet for 5 minutes, then move to a wire rack to cool completely.
That was not smooth.
11 minutes was definitely enough. We got an interesting crinkle happening. I feel like cookies are better when they're like warm and hot. I've had enough coffee, but I might have a decaf now.
I feel like it's gonna be crispy on the outside, but like with a gooey center.
Well, they're not like gooey like a goo-goo, but they're definitely nice and soft. Oh,
Good.
it's really good.
Not too sweet.
You know what I like? A lot of gluten-free cookies or like gluten-free items, the flour is like loose, even after it's cooked, like it breaks down. But these, it's very like, it's well combined. I like that. It's really good.
Yeah, it's good. Definitely a good gluten-free option.
This is very good. I like the level of like sweetness. Yeah, I think it could.
I think so.
The taste is there. The texture is totally.
I wouldn't know the difference.
You wouldn't?
No, I don't think so.
No, yeah, it would pass like 100% as a non-gluten-free texture. Because again, it's holding itself together. It's binded really well together. Well done, Bob's.